14 says the cost for producing X champions gold hats is given by this function, and it's in dollars, where X is the number of hats produced. So let's graph the model, and they want us to use this for the window. So I'm going to go to my y equals and type in my function. Then go to the window, and 0 for x min, 75 for x max, 0 for y min, and 300 for y max. And this is what your function should look like. So we're trying to figure out what the minimum is, or the minimum cost. So that should be right there. So let's go to second calc and select minimum. And then we can use our arrow keys, and we need to declare somewhere to the left of the vertex and press enter. Go somewhere to the right of the vertex and press enter. And then make a guess, press enter, and we get our vertex. So this is going to be 40, 200. Okay, let's go back to the problem. And let's show our graph. And it was 40, 200. And if you did look at the original function, this was in vertex form, so you could actually tell the 40 and the 200 right from the vertex form. But we can always just use the calculator anyway. So part B says how many hats must be produced to minimize the cost of production. So this is how many hats that you need to produce to achieve that minimum. So it's not the actual minimum. So that's going to be the X value. So 40 hats. And then what is the minimum cost? That's the actual minimum value. So that's going to be the Y value, and that will be $200.